Hi everybody, it is Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library again. I'm so excited to be back with you. We are going to do fun painting. Yay! Oddly, you're probably thinking, what on earth are those weird things she has on the table? What are we gonna do with them? Golf balls. We're turning them into golf ball yard art. Yes, it's gonna be super fun. So you're gonna have the directions in your kit. I just knocked over all my paints and paintbrushes here, but that's okay. And you're gonna have so many ideas as well. So I put a piece of paper, clearly, but it has all these ideas of different things that you could turn your golf ball into. You could turn it into anything you put your mind to. So we're gonna turn these plain white golf balls into something amazing. You guys are going to decide what you want to turn it into. I'm going to send you home some paint, but you're going to need paint brushes, probably some water to maybe rinse them. This is optional stuff. If you want to add some sort of eyes, like googly eyes, sticker eyes, any types of eyes you can. Legs, if you want to add some, you don't have to. A lot of these, all the ones on here, have no extras added, so it'd be totally okay. Also, totally up to you. At the end, when you're finished, if you wanna, it's got to be completely dry before you do this. But if you want to, you can spray paint your golf ball with some acrylic. Oh, what's it called? Yes, clear acrylic spray. There's a picture of it here, just so you know kind of what it looks like. Another option could be some outdoor Mod Podge. I'm not going to put any of that on mine. I'm just going to paint it because that is how I'm sending it home to you. All right. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your golf ball and you're going to decide what you're going to make it into. What are you turning this white golf ball into? Use your imagination. Think, think, think. What do you want to turn this into? Once you've decided that, you have to decide what color you're going to paint it then. So if you've decided to turn this into a pig, you may be painting this pink. Or a cow, maybe you're going to be painting it white or leaving it white, I'm not sure. There's so many different things you can turn this into. Use your imagination. Color or paint your golf ball the color that you've decided, okay? It probably will take 2, maybe 3 coats. Mine took 2. I've already painted mine in case you're surprised. No, it'll probably take 2 or 3 coats, and it takes a little bit of time to dry. If you want it to dry a little bit quicker, you could pull out a hair dryer and blow it on there. It helps it to dry a little quicker. And so you're gonna wanna paint one side, let it dry, paint the other side, unless you have a fabulous idea on how to hold this ball so that you can get it all painted at once. Up to you. All right, after you have that main color on there and it's dry, because you'll want it to be dry before you start putting the details, then you put all your details on there. I actually kind of went plain, but that's because I like this. I love rainbows, so I decided to do a rainbow on mine. I did. And this is my handy little device. It's 2 yogurt cups. One of them has a hole, so it just sat right on top. I was able to paint the entire ball all at once because this held it up to dry it. No mess, easy peasy. The reason I used 2 cups is because that way, just in case the paint dripped, it would just drip into this bottom cup and not onto the table or wherever I was setting it. It is acrylic paint. It will stain. Okay. Anyway, I just did this. I just did a rainbow with some clouds. I love it. And I do need to add a couple of coats. It is still a little bit wet. The details are a little bit wet. So I'll need to add a few coats because you can kind of see through there. But that's what I did. I did a rainbow because I love rainbows. And I think this is going to look so cute on my front porch. So that's what I decided to do. Rainbow. You're going to do whatever you want to do. You're going to let it dry completely. If you're deciding to put eyes on there, you're going to want to put the eyes first and then spray your acrylic spray over it, okay? If you're using the spray. But if you do that as well, wipe those eyes off after you spray it, because otherwise they'll be cloudy. That's only if you're using that spray, okay? That is really it, guys. See how easy and fun this is gonna be? You get to turn your golf ball into anything you can think of. Have fun doing it. When you're finished, clean up. The main cleanup should really just be maybe washing off your paintbrushes and putting them away, and putting away your paints. Boom, done. Recycle your papers. Put your golf ball in some place where everybody can view it. What's the word I'm looking for? Your beautiful work, your masterpiece. And if you would like to, feel free to send us a picture in. I would love to see your masterpieces, or bring it in and show us, whatever you'd like to do. Have so much fun making this, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.